Hello friends, welcome back to Teacher Connie channel. Today, we're going to learn about pronouns. They are small words that make our sentences sound nice and easy. Are you ready? Say, yes, Teacher Connie.
Yes, Teacher Connie.
A pronoun is a word we use instead of a name. Instead of saying the name again and again, we use a pronoun. If I say, this is Sarah. Sarah likes ice cream. We can change it to this is Sarah. She likes ice cream. See, the word she is a pronoun. Let's learn some pronouns we use for people. I, when I'm talking about myself. You when I'm talking to someone directly. He for a boy or man. She for a girl or woman. It, for an animal or thing. We, for me and others together. They, for more than one person or thing. Let's play a game. I'll show you a picture, and you say the right pronoun. Ready? He or she. Yes, he. He or she. Yes, she. It or they. Correct, they. Well done, superstars. Let's fix these sentences using pronouns. This is John. John is tall. Yes. This is John. He is tall. The pronoun is he. This is Anna. Anna is happy. Correct. This is Anna. She is happy. The pronoun is she. This is my cat. My cat is cute. Correct. This is my cat. It is cute. The pronoun is it. Great job. Today we learned that pronouns are words like I, you, he, she, it, we, they. And they help us avoid saying the same name again and again. Great job, everyone! If you liked learning with me, click the like button, subscribe to Teacher Connie channel, and share this video with your friends.